In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I made a 15x return on a $350 investment in the bear market. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. A lot of crypto investors complain that it is very difficult to make money in the bear market. Everyone is simply used to buying a crypto in the bull market, watching it go up for a couple of weeks or a couple of months, and then selling and making profits. But when the entire crypto market is pretty much down and out, everything is completely flat, there's no hype, there's no promotion, it is very difficult for some people to make some money. In my opinion, that is because a lot of people are not willing to adapt to the new market. Crypto changes every single day. There are new trends, there are new ways to make money. You constantly have to follow crypto and adapt to the new ways if you want to stay afloat. If you're stuck in the old ways, chances are the crypto market will move on and you are going to be left behind. If you have been watching my channels over the last 5-6 months, you will see that I'm getting into the crypto mining game and I'm constantly buying brand new miners in order to make even more money, in order to stay ahead of the curve. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how I made a 15x return in 2 months. And I turned $350 into over $5,300 doing absolutely nothing. The way I was able to do this is with the demo miners. I ordered these miners a while back. They pretty much came in, I plugged them into my vehicle, and I started making some money. And now let's go inside of the app so I can show you exactly how much demo I have earned in the last 2 months. Alright, so now we are inside of the demo app. I will press rewards at the very bottom, and as you can see, I have 31,382 demo tokens, and the next base drop will be in 1 day. So tomorrow I will get even more free demo tokens. And when we click on the little clock, you will see the entire history of this demo miner. You will see I started mining pretty much middle of December, so now it will be 2 full months of me mining demo tokens. And every single week they do a base drop where they pretty much reward all the people that are mining demo. The demo miner is slightly different from your traditional crypto miner. This miner, you simply plug it into your vehicle and then it starts mining crypto. You don't have to do anything. It is super easy to set up and it doesn't waste any electricity. You just plug it in and you'll be making some money. Also, the demo miner provides a ton of utility. For example, it will show you the value of your vehicle. It will provide GPS tracking, so you'll be able to track your vehicle wherever it is. In case it gets stolen, you will know exactly where your vehicle is. It also provides opportunities to help you lower your monthly payment on your vehicle. It will also help you with diagnostics, so if you have a check engine, it will show you the error codes and a ton of other future utility that the team is working on. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you how much my demo tokens are actually worth right now and what I plan on doing with them in the future. Alright, so now we are on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, the current price of demo is just over 17 cents. It is up just over 2.5% on the day. And when we scroll down to look at the chart, you will see today it has been ranging between 16 and 18 cents. But if we look at the 1 week chart, you will see that the demo token went from 7.5 cents to over 17 cents, pretty much going up over 100% in the last 7 days, which is definitely impressive. And when we take a look at the all-time chart, you will see that the demo token launched sometime in mid-December, and ever since it launched, it has been going up steadily. And a lot of people have been making great profits with these miners. Also, when we take a look at the market cap, it is only 171 million. So it still has a lot of room to grow. This can easily reach a market cap of 500 million or $1 billion. And this price will be a lot higher than what it is right now. Currently, I have 31,382 demo, and at this current price, let's see the value times 0.1712. So my current demo position is worth $5,372, which is not bad from a $350 investment. So when we divide this number by $350, we got a 15x return on our investment in 2 months in the bear market, which is definitely impressive. But the all-time high of the demo token is 22.22 cents, which is a lot higher than 17 cents. So if I take the amount of demo tokens that I have and I multiply it by the all-time high, we are going to get a return of $6,937. Divide that by 350, that will give us a almost 20x return on our investment. So if I sold all of my demo tokens right now, I will make a nice little profit. And then every single week, my miner will give me even more demo and I'll be making even more profit. But personally, I'm not selling any of my demo tokens. I am holding on. I believe the price of the demo token will be a lot higher than 17 cents. Hopefully in the bull run, the price will skyrocket, probably go to $2, $5, maybe even $10. And by then I will have a lot more demo tokens and it will be worth a lot more money. Maybe instead of 5,000, it will be worth 50,000, maybe even 100,000 or even more. So personally, I'm holding on to all of my demo tokens. Personally, I do not like to brag about my gains or any of that stuff, but sometimes it is worth to take the risk. $350 is not a lot of money, but it can buy you a miner that can pretty much make you life-changing money. Who knows what the price of demo will be in the next 2 to 3 years. Also, if you really think about it, people in crypto take a lot of unnecessary risk. A lot of people take $500 and they deposit into their KuCoin account. They start trading, they turn the $500 into 6, then into 7, and they think they are on top of the world and they think they are an expert crypto trader. Then one bad trade later, their $600, their $700 becomes $200 and they get stuck holding a position that is going down even more. In my opinion, trading crypto is one of the most riskiest things that you can do, and a lot of people that try it, they end up losing pretty much everything. So personally, instead of taking the $300 or $500 or $600 and trading crypto and losing it and pretty much going to zero, I'm taking that money and I'm investing it into crypto miners. I got a couple of these demo miners. Recently, I ordered the new Dogecoin miners, the Neo, that I've been talking about on this channel for the last 2 weeks. Personally, I think those will have a great return as well, so I cannot wait for those to arrive so I can start mining some Dogecoin. If you are interested in the Neo miner, check out the link in the description box below. Personally, I think it will do very, very well. Obviously, not financial advice, do what is best for you, but personally, I'm taking all the risk and I'm buying all the miners that I can possibly get, especially right now when the miners are not like before. Your electricity bill is not going to be $100 more or $1,000 more. These miners pretty much waste zero electricity, so there's pretty much no risk when it comes to that factor. And they are completely hands-off. Like the demo miner in my vehicle, since I plugged it in, I haven't touched it. Half the time, I don't even know that the miner is in the car. Also, other miners, like the Neo miner, simply plug it in and that is it. You don't have to do anything else and the money will start rolling in. Don't get me wrong, making money in the bear market is a little bit harder than in the bull market, but you have to adapt and you have to take calculated risk in order to make the most money possible. Bear markets provide amazing opportunities that you will never find in the bull market. So getting in early on these brand new projects, on projects that have a ton of potential, could make you life-changing money once the bull run returns. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Links will be in the description box below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.